Hi everyone, it's Nicole here, and I thought I'd record another video for you on the topic of speaking on the telephone. Look, lately I have had a lot of phone calls where people are trying to sell me something. I have no idea how they get my telephone number, probably on the internet. But obviously, I don't want to talk to them and I don't want to buy anything off them. So I'm sure the same thing has happened to you or will happen to you. So I thought that I'd give you a few expressions of what you could say to show that you're not interested. Does that sound good? Okay, let's do it. Sorry, but I'm not interested. Thanks anyway. Bye. Sorry, but I can't talk right now. Yeah, thanks for ringing. Bye. Excuse me, but how did you get my number? No, I'm not interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Listen, I don't know how you got my telephone number details. I'm really not interested in purchasing anything. Please don't ring again. Alternatively, how did you get my number? Okay. Well, yeah, look, I'm not interested in buying anything. Can you please take my name off the list? Thanks. Bye-bye. Listen, I don't really have the time right now. Yeah, it's not a good time. No, I'm not interested. Thanks anyway. Bye-bye. So look, you can be quite direct without being rude, or you could be a little bit more friendly and leave the door open for them to ring you again. It's entirely up to you and obviously why they are ringing. My suggestion would be to really be quite direct, especially if you have no idea how they got your telephone number or why they're ringing you. So you might say something like, can I ask why you're calling? Oh, you'd like to sell me something? Yeah, listen, look, I'm not interested. I'll get in touch with you if I change my mind, okay? Thanks. Bye. So look, turn the tables, say something that they don't expect. Don't hang up, because the minute you hang up, they're going to ring you again and again and again and keep your name on the list. But if you say you're not interested, well, they're going to go and ring the next person and have you at the very bottom of the list. So it's better to be quite direct and to say that you're not interested. Yeah, I really don't know what else you could say. I think those expressions work really well. The aim is really to close that conversation as soon as possible and to give them the idea that you're not interested. Anyway, I hope that helped. If you would like any more help there with telling people that you're not interested, let me know and I'll record another video. Anyway, practice those ones now. Have a great day. Bye.